In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform an email design in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, access the right tools, and use a powerful plugin to turn your visual design into an email-ready layout you can refine. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign into your account. You can also use the Figma desktop app if that's your preference. The steps are the same either way. Make sure your internet connection is stable so everything loads smoothly. Now, open your design. Navigate to the file that contains your email layout and select the frame or page you want to work with. A helpful tip before you proceed, consider duplicating your design or working on a copy. That way, you keep your original layout untouched while you experiment with the transformation process. Next, it's time to access the Actions menu. In Figma, the Quick Action search is located at the top. You can click it to bring up a searchable command palette. This is the fastest way to find features, commands, and plugins without hunting through menus. From there, click Plugins. This narrows the results to tools that extend Figma's capabilities. In the search field, enter Emailify, then select Emailify HTML Email Builder. This plugin is designed specifically for building email-friendly structures, which is important because emails have stricter layout requirements than standard web pages. Once you've found it, click Run. The plugin panel will open alongside your design. Inside Emailify, feel free to explore and experiment. You can browse ready-made sections like headers, hero areas, content blocks, buttons, and footers, and drop them directly into your frame. Use these to structure your email in a way that's consistent and easy to maintain. Adjust text, swap images, and fine-tune spacing to match your brand. Keep in mind that email designs typically use simpler layouts and a fixed width for better compatibility, so resist the urge to rely on advanced effects or overly complex styling. As you experiment, check alignment and hierarchy to ensure your content remains readable on both desktop and mobile email clients. When you're happy with how everything looks, review your frames to confirm consistency, legibility, and clear call-to-action placement. That's the essential flow. Open Figma, open your design, go to Actions, click Plugins, search for Emailify, select the Emailify HTML Email Builder, run it, and explore its features to refine your email layout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy transforming your email designs with confidence.